So today we are going to install this BMC air filter on this Duke 390. And the most important decision for any biker is... So hey guys, and welcome to another video. This video is about BMC. No, not that BMC. This BMC. This BMC cleans your motorcycle. That BMC just messes it up. So let's get into the video. So today we are going to install this BMC air filter on this Duke 390. This Duke 390 has been on my channel before. There's a full review out there. You can check it out on my channel. And we're going to start by opening the seat.
Rose.
We open the seat, and I think this is where the air filter is. So now let's see the state of the air filter. After how long you're changing the air filter?
6 to 8 months.
6 to 8 months. So we're expecting this air filter to be very, very dirty. Wow. Just look at that. And this is a normal taper filter.
This is
You
a
can
company
see
provider.
the OEM parts, like this is the normal KTM filter that comes. Wow, that's very, very dirty. So this is what goes into your bike. So yeah. So I want to make an admission here. I actually think that aftermarket air filters or free flow air filters are bad for your motorcycle because I thought they increase flow. So with increased flow, that means there would be more dust going in. But I did some research, and a stock air filter, that is your paper air filter, can stop dust particles up to 10 micron. But these aftermarket air filters can stop dust particles up to 7 micron. So that means it can stop a smaller particle from entering the engine. Now that's benefit number one. The benefit number two is that the engine and the piston is responsible for pulling in air from the air filter, through the air filter. So if you have better flow of air through the filter, that means your engine is working less hard. And that's why you feel that the performance has gone up, because the engine is breathing better, as it were. Okay, let's listen to the KTM 390 sound without the air filter. You can see there's no air filter here. It's fucking loud.
Can't watch that. See this.
So this is the new air filter, the BMC air filter. You can already see that it's got multiple layers, and I think this is cotton base, but this is wire, no? I think.
Yeah. Mesh.
So let's put this in.
Make sure it sits proper in the place. And it locks it. That's it.
So we are starting the bike with the BMC air filter now. So you have to start the bike and keep it running for some time so that the ECU can get used to the new air ratio. So what happens is when you change it from your stock filter to a BMC filter, the amount of air that is going into the bike increases. Therefore the ECU has to then change the ratios of air and fuel. So that's what's happening right now. We have to let the ECU get used to the new air intake. So I got to ride the KTM 390 after the free flow aftermarket air filter was installed, and yes, the performance has improved. In the low end, there is better performance. I have not tested it out in the top end, so I don't know yet. My cousin Craig is going to do that. But low end is where bikes like the Duke 390, the RS200, NS200 and the Duke 200, RC200 suffer. They are not very good in low end, but in top end they're really strong. So if it's improving the low end, that's great already, because in bumper to bumper traffic that will be very, very helpful. And also we are living in a very dusty environment here in Mumbai, so it will take care of a lot of dust. So let's test out the new sound. Go for it. So obviously with the air filter you get these stickers, and the most important decision for any biker is where on the 390 or any bike where should you put the stickers, because if you see,
Obvious.
yeah, you don't want to make it too obvious, but you still want to have the sticker on.
There's
So
no
it's a
space
very,
on the bike.
yeah, it's a naked, so therefore there are no panels, and every panel that's on the 390 right now already has either you have Duke written, or you have 390 written,
Or fastest fuck.
or yeah, you have fastest fuck on the tank. So yeah, and then you have this one very legal sounding notice over here, which is on all bikes mostly. But yeah,
This is why you need RS200.
another important point is they give you the sticker which says stop, do not discard, this vehicle is equipped with a lifetime filter. So you put it on the filter cover so that if you give it for service, they do not discard this filter, which is already so expensive, and then someone will think that it's a use and throw filter and it's gone. So we're going to do that right now. So that is all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I am very close to 10,000 subscribers, so I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers. The family is growing, it feels amazing. And I hope the videos are informative, helpful, and they make your life with motorcycles easier.